What's up, guys? It's Titus. I'm back with another video. And tonight we'll be looking at the markets again. We'll be looking at TRIAS again. We'll be looking at Bitcoin again, and basically just seeing how the market is doing. See how it's reacted since Elon tweeted not too long ago. I think it was last night, and we're gonna see new trends, new things, and what else is going on with the market. So hope you guys had a good day, had a good night, and if you're watching, let me know down below what coins you want me to look at. Remember, no meme coins, no scam coins. I don't like any of that. Doesn't have anything good behind it. I will not look at it. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, so Bitcoin. Hope you guys can hear me, but so Bitcoin right now is still doing ever since Elon tweeted again. It's still in that base, and I told you guys it needs to get up to here, to this circle, and consolidate in here to show a good sign. So if it consolidates up here, looks like it's getting up there. It might get up here even while we're live streaming the video, but once it gets up here and consolidates up here, that's showing bullish momentum for Bitcoin. Look at the huge buying candlestick down here. Green candlestick, green. It's a lot more green right now, but don't disregard that. What I said Bitcoin will most likely hit 22K before it hits 84K. So just be aware of that, and keep that in the back of your head when you're looking at Bitcoin. But if it hits up here, it looks pretty bullish. But at some moment where we might hit that 23K threshold. I don't know when, but it's looking pretty close. Okay, now let's look at Ether. Ether doing the same thing. Exact same thing. So I said Ether needs to get to 2800, consolidate above this line, and then that's bullish. So consolidate means like it needs to stay above the line for a good period of time. I just come up above for like 30 seconds and go back down. It needs to stay up there for a while in order to see a strong takeoff. ADA is definitely a good buy right now. You could say in a way it's undervalued because they're working on a lot of stuff, and their smart contracts have, I don't know if they're 100% out, but they talk like they're out. So ADA was just at like $2 not too long ago. I'll probably get a buy price at 170. Then dollar cost average if it goes down any further. Now 165. So just around here. Good buy for 88. And if it goes down any further, just dollar cost average. When 88 goes down, it starts to follow Bitcoin, Ether as well. But when it's bullish, it doesn't follow anybody. Let's look at Dogecoin. Since Dogecoin, Elon claims Dogecoin as whatever his currency, his favorite currency. He's not cool with Bitcoin anymore. He's not cool with Bitcoin. You know he's still on that Bitcoin. He loves Bitcoin. So Dogecoin, it's like I said, how Bitcoin's a souvenir, Dogecoin is similar to a souvenir as well. Not because of its value, its holding value, but just because of like to say so. Basically, I was a part of this community, and I was doing this with this community. That's gonna go down in history. Dogecoin is going to go down in history. It's one of the first meme coins to do it. So it's basically gonna be a souvenir, but not a highly valuable souvenir as Bitcoin would be. So Dogecoin, it's just a good buy if you have an extra few dollars. Not trying to become $1 million, become a millionaire off of $20. That's not what Dogecoin can do anymore. But it's definitely a good souvenir to have and say I was a part of this. I was a part of this community, and I wanted things to go like this. And we were doing this, we were doing that. I remember when Elon, he went on SNL, and then Dogecoin dropped a lot. Like it's basically about memories, at least in my perspective. Dogecoin, it potentially can be the currency of the world. Its use cases there, but you think the US or China or any other country is gonna let that slide? No, they're not gonna let. They're gonna do what they want to do. They don't want none of that. It just depends on how strong the Doge army is. I know they're very strong. The Doge army is very strong. Shout out to everybody who got in Doge down here. Even the people who still holding it, they had it up here. They bought it at the top. Even though you probably down a lot, just keep holding. One day you'll see the light. So yeah, just it's another souvenir. So I know Bitcoin, Dogecoin. You could say Ether and 88 would be souvenirs as well, but those are gonna be like the main things that are gonna be used in the future. So it's not necessarily a souvenir. Bitcoin's a statement. Hey, I was here during this time. I got in at this time, and now look at how much it's worth. And it's very valuable. It's a valuable asset. And Dogecoin, hey, I was a part of this community. I was a part of this trend. I was part of everything. And Dogecoin, I hodl all the way until this day. So that's how I look at it. And Ether and 88, they're just gonna be in the main world. Everybody's gonna be using their ecosystems for business, everything. Like how you see the movies, you pull out your 3D phone, it flips, you switch what currency you want, and then you use that currency. These movies don't be lying. The movies really be telling the truth. They be having all these aliens and stuff, and like stuff like that. They low key telling the truth. What the future is gonna be like. So yeah, crypto has a huge future, a bright future ahead of itself, and we'll look back one day and say, I was a part of this. That's a great feeling for me, at least. I don't know about you guys. Just let me know down in the comments how you feel. Like, you're glad to be a part of this crypto. It's a scam. get these scam comments a lot. Crypto's a scam. Hey, you'll never, like, bro. I see what I see. I believe what I believe. So do your own research, guys. My personal opinion, not financial advice. And yeah. All right. So coin I'll be dropping a video on tomorrow is, I think it's Scale. Scale coin is a great coin you guys should be looking at. Okay, Scale previous all-time high 122. You can just glance over it again. Elastic blockchain network, build powerful Ethereum dApps. Run your dApps in a decentralized modular cloud built for real world needs and configured for your requirements. Deploy with just a few lines of code. Yeah, so I said this I think it was last night. So you're just adding on to their ecosystem, basically. You fork a little bit of their code, edit a little bit of their code into whatever you need to do for your business, and you put it on their thing. And they're just connected to Ethereum, and you're connected through Scale to Ethereum. So yeah. Look, Scale dynamically upgrade is live, multi-chain, interoperable, fast block time, zero gas. That's huge. Zero gas. Scale is going to take off. It is going to mark my word. It is going to take off. Hello, it's going to take off. Listen, I'm telling you guys, Scale will definitely reach its dollar price again. It'll probably break that all-time high sooner or later. Look, it had a small run up right here. Buy orders for Scale. Buy positions for it would be like, I'm sorry guys, I don't have like all the stuff on here. I don't have like all the resistance lines and everything because I don't be looking at the charts like 24/7. But like I have like notes, prices that I want to buy it. So for Scale, 35 cents, right around here. 35 cents, 30, 20. If it goes any lower, better deal for us. And another thing I wanted to tell you guys, most of the projects that had previous all-time highs, they're gonna like actual good projects, so not like meme coins or anything that had all-time highs of like 3,000 and now they're at like 250. Projects that had these previous all-time highs are going to break those all-time highs sooner or later. So if they're down now, remember, if they are down now, this is the best time to get in. Look how far down they are. Hold on, let me move mine. Okay, so they are 70% down. If you say just run up from here, it go up 70%, back up to 120, 122, 123. You gained 70% from that, and that's more than a 2x. That what's that? A 3, 4x? Say 40 cents. Yeah, that's 3x. So if you put in 100, 300, put in 1,000, 3,000. I don't know. I gotta check me on my math if I'm wrong. I gotta make sure I'm straight because sometimes I be a little cloud. What do you call it? In the head? Not dizzy, but like head kind of clouded a little bit, kind of like foggy. Not an all-star mathematician, so don't quote me on that. But look at it's guaranteed to go back to that all-time high price, and that was this year, March, when everything was running up. Next bull run, when everything runs up even higher, this is probably gonna hit $2. I wouldn't be surprised if scale hits $2. So I'm gonna just go ahead and put my my line up here for scale. Put it at 135. I'm gonna draw my path for it. Where I believe scale is going. It's probably gonna go like this. Trend line for it. It's probably gonna go like. If it's gonna go like this, if the market continues positive, probably won't break this line. So if it is down here, that's good for us, so we can get in, or it takes off up here. So we needed to resist on this trend line in order for it to get back to those prices. If it, look how many people is buying right here. That was not too long ago. Sold off, sold off. It'll probably come back down a little bit more, but I see it taking off up here. That's if the market is positive, because right now scale doesn't have its own momentum. It's following most likely Ethereum or Bitcoin. It doesn't have its own momentum. It's not doing this alone. It's doing everything by itself. I mean, not doing everything by itself. Now I'm telling you guys, we need to get into this circle. The top of this circle. It's resisting heavily on my circle. It's like look at it's crazy because it's hitting like directly the bottom of the circle, like they watch my YouTube videos. I don't know, I might be tweaking, but I'm saying it needs to get into this circle, consolidate up here, stay steady 38, and just slowly inch its way back up to 55, whatever K, 65, 75, and that's what it needs to do. There's no any other thing else. There's no one big huge buy will make it. No, because that's when people were shorting one big buy. It goes up. They're selling heavily. They're shorting crazy. By the way, shorting means selling. Longing means buying. So other than that, it looks like it's going to the 22K, 23, 22, 23K area. So it needs to do that. Everything else doesn't matter right now. That's what it needs to do. Same goes for Ether. Yes. The volatility. What's the volume? It's doing the exact same thing. Let me know if y'all don't like seeing these drawings on here. I guess that could be. It looks like scribbles. Now let me do this. I just said it. So I missed it. Trying to get a skimming. Alright, I'm done for now. I'll have y'all. And this is my buy zone I have over here for Bitcoin. I have that boy ready. I'm ready for it to drop. You guys should too. Make sure you put your limit orders for what's down here. Put some limit order for 30K, 25, 22, 20. Yeah, all the way down. Then you can just, if you're on, I know if you're on KuCoin, you can just cancel the limit order if it don't go through. Say if you got $100, set $10, 35, 10, 32, 10, 30, then 28, 25, 22. I don't know if that's 10 times. Do whatever what you want with the rest. But if you don't know exactly what price to get in, dollar cost average. That's all I can say. If you don't know where you want to get in, how you want to get in, what trend be. But yeah. Circles of my buy positions. I don't know. What do you guys think about BTT? I think I don't like BTT really because there's not really anything going on with them. But I don't know. You guys may know something different that I don't know. Like I said, we're a community. We're here to help each other. We're here to teach each other and learn from each other because nobody can do it by themselves. If you really think about it, everybody has had a team at some point, either halfway through when they sort of made it, but they needed to scale. They need a team, just like Ethereum needs a team. Not necessarily like a team, but they need a team of other companies to help their business scale. Because without these other companies, they won't be able to grow. They won't be able to learn. They won't be able to expand. So that's the importance of a community and a team. We're here to help each other learn, help each other become great in what we do. So if you guys like trading crypto, looking at the charts, crypto in general, even if you like don't even like looking at the charts, if you like crypto and you know your why, your reason why you're in crypto, that's even a more reason to join Discord, potentially become a moderator, and just learn from each other. That's what it is. Because I don't really know much about BTT. I think it's a TRX token, TRC. I don't know exactly, but I'll look at it right now. Cause it's been at that price for a while. Let me see. On-time high of 13 cents. See, it's been a pretty low price for a while. It was at 13 cents for a second. It down to, dang. Tried to come back up. Couldn't make it. Came back up, down, dip heavy. It's a lot of volatility on here. Them gains must be amazing then. See, look at this. Stable. I would have thought this is a stable coin. But yeah, let me just go ahead and draw my and needs to break through that. That's all I'm gonna put right there. I'm not trading BTT. I'm not in BTT. I'm just looking at charts right now. I don't know enough about them. I haven't done heavy research on them. So yeah, a TRX token. I don't know what they're called. See, they can't even like. Come on now, Tron. Is Tron trying to beat Ether? Tron scan. I'm weak. They're trying though. Can't knock them for not for trying. Yeah, they got too much supply anyway. 5 million holders. Transfers. I don't know. You guys let me know in the comments if I should do a video on trying to do more research on them, because I don't see anything. They got a lot of money behind them, but what are they doing? I haven't heard nothing from them. So yeah, that's that. So I did say we are gonna look at TRIAS tonight. What did I tell you guys? It is going to our buy position. It is going to our buy position. I don't even remember what I said the buy position was, but it's going there. Our buy position right here is 6 6 6 yeah, $7, but I have it right here at 670, 650, 6. It's gonna come down. I wouldn't be surprised. So be ready to get in, guys, because the last time it was this price was just before the run up. 730. So that's very good. That looks good for us in the long run. TRIAS is definitely gonna return to those $30. So if you get in now, like, make sure you dollar cost average. I say that every time, but I'm gonna keep saying it till you actually implement it. We will definitely see TRIAS around those 700s and 1.5, a year and a half to 2 years. You'll see that. Wouldn't be surprised. And if the autonomy sector starts picking up, more people getting autonomy, more careers, autonomy. It needs to start coming out more, like EVs are coming out. That's what TRIAS needs to help push its price, because the more you talk about autonomy, and you already have a currency that's crypto, and they're working on autonomy systems. Those are like best friends right there. They don't miss. So that's, I mean, they're gonna happen sooner or later. TRIAS is definitely gonna hit that 100x. Like it's gonna hit that. It's not a question. It's not a well if. It will, because it just has that behind it. It needs to. The only problem they might have is I don't see a liable, like a real problem that could affect TRIAS from going to 100x from here. Because if you think about it, what does Tesla use in its Tesla vehicles to drive themselves? Autonomy. What are EVs trying to get? Autonomy. What are like fast food restaurants trying to get? Autonomy systems that flip burgers, make fries, do all that. Factories have autonomy, but they want to max that autonomy as possible as they can. And since crypto adoption is coming very soon, 5 to 10 years, I guarantee you, everybody will be using some sort of crypto. It's already on the blockchains. I don't know if it's already on a blockchain, so that's even better. It just fits perfectly. TRIAS is in the right position. They might be a year or two too early, but hey, they're here. Because the next booming cybersecurity is gonna take off, because these blockchains, they need people to test their stuff, do all that. I might be going into cybersecurity soon. Yeah. What else do I need to talk about? What you guys need to let me know down in the comments. Like, I'll be saying this every video. Tell me what coins we need to see. Shout out to everybody who's like, if y'all subscribe, because we're gonna take off for real. We're gonna hit a K this month. I guarantee we're gonna hit a K and everything. So we just gotta keep working. We just gotta keep building up the community. Share the videos, share everything, share the Discord. Hey, join this Discord. Drop gems in here. Yeah, we're just here to bring more awareness to crypto. I don't know if this, y'all gotta let me know what coins you want me to look at. Tomorrow morning, I might just do like random, like a go through on crypto, not crypto.com, but cryptomarketcap.com. I might just go to the, I'm gonna show you guys how find all my altcoins. What I do to find the altcoins that are potentially 110x coins guaranteed. So I'm gonna show you guys that tomorrow, and then I'll post a video. Sunday I'll be busy, but I'll still post. I might not do a night live stream, but I'll 100% guaranteed do a morning. If I don't do a night, I'll try to push it out at like 5, then drop my other video earlier. So make sure you guys join the Discord down below. Follow me TikTok. All the links are down below. Shout out to everybody who comments. And make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, share the video. Let's bring more awareness to this huge community. We are the future. Remember that crypto is king and nothing else will bring. Peace out, y'all.